Today we're gonna be playing a plain story in Roblox, you guys. This is going to be crazy. Well, we're going on a plane to I don't even know where the vacation is. I just got a letter of my email saying that you guys should subscribe, and I also got a plane ticket. So we just have to oh, the lag is I guess we're in the game. Let's see, before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you like to never miss my any videos. And we have loaded in. So 2 flights have been delayed. Yeah, 3 flights have been delayed. I think, which gate should we join? Come on, you guys, join gate C. Gate C. Join. I don't want to be alone. Bro, no one wants to join. No, leave room. Whoa. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I managed to fix it. I think we're with more people now. But this, if you want a series on this, we'll probably do it if you just like one like. Where is G10? This G10. That's G6. That's G7. G8. G9. G10. Yes. So we're currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time. Feel free to explore the airplane. Okay, so we can explore. What can we explore? What's this room? That looks like that's an exit. That looks like that's an exit. Remember, our seat is here. So why is the restroom? Why are the restrooms locked? Oh, I'm pretty sure this is first. Find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I already found my seat. G10, found it. Sit down, you guys. You could die. You haven't even. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Damn. Oh, wow. Turbulence is crazy. That's some crazy. Is the turbulence over? Thank you for your cooperation. Wow. The captain. I mean, you guys. That was some. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Woo! Are we having pizza, bro? I'm craving pizza right now. Pizza. 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 Shut up. We want pizza, bro. Pizza. Pizza. Oh, you only get sandwiches. I guess. Eat that, boy. Could I get another one? Ma'am, another one, please. Please get another one. I want more. Ah, come on. I want more sandwiches. Let's see. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, what do you have to say? I'm not feeling very well. You're not well. Why, bro? Wait, this sandwich has mayo. Damn! 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 Damn, you're allergic to mayo. That's insane. Okay, I guess we got some music. We need to fight. Okay. Okay, look. Where could your thing be? You only have a minute to find your thing. How are we gonna find this? No messages. No! What's happening? Oh no! I found it. I found it. Oh, that's mine. I'm sorry, I did, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, I found it. It's not it. Oh God, bro, you almost died, bro. You better thank me for that, bro. Oh my God, bro. If I didn't find it, you would have been dead. You're even sitting down. Okay, I guess we'll go back to our seats. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we have reached a stable altitude. It will be a time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Oh, getting into the dark. Are we gonna see a monster? Okay, kidding me. Oh, it's actually peaceful. I kinda wanna sit. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We will still have a few hours to go. Damn, are we heading to New York? Okay, this is good. Alright. Yes, how do you... Oh no, what? It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Oh no, bro. How? Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Wait. Oh, there. Dot. And question mark. You will not survive. Oh my God. Are those snakes? Where do snakes come from? Dang. Nah. I'm claiming a chair, bro. Bro, snakes are my worst biggest fear. Bro, snakes are my biggest fear. Okay, there's a medkit down here. Oh no, it needs Robux. Oh no, I'm being followed by a flipping snake. Guys, there is an open restroom. Oh, it's in here, bro. I'm in the restroom. Whew. Oh my God. Where's the other girl? I don't think she'll make it. I don't think she's gonna make it. Well, I guess we're gonna read it through. Dang it, bastard. Oh, you shot. Dang. Guys, there's an open. That was scary, bro. We should discuss what the heck is both of us should. Now what are we gonna do? We lost it. I think that might be next. I should have in this airplane. I knew I should have flown my private jet. If I even have one. Now what do we do? I don't know what she just commented, but guess we slept in this restroom for the night. Oh, what the heck? Still nighttime. Power is back up. Woo! We got power, boys. We got power. And the snakes are gone. Wait. Thank God. How do the snakes go? That's what I'm wondering. The creature on the wing is also gone. That means if the snakes were inside, how did they leave? That's all I want to know. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. What are the bad news? The good news is the power's back up. Yeah, we know that. Oh, come on. That's will drop over from over your seat. Okay. I got one. But that's an oxygen? Bro, what? I feel like that's gonna make it even worse. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen. I mean, there's no way there's a crack in the wheel. But that's insane. Oh no. Um, the power just went out again. Oh my god. Watch. Watch. What is this? What is what? Looks like a bomb. Whoa! A bomb? A bomb? Where? A bomb? What are we gonna do? Where's the bomb? Oh my god, it's on you! Everyone, calm down. There's barely anyone on display. What am I saying? If you find something sharp to cut the cables, you might be able to save. Wow, 63029. Let's go. What are you gonna find? What's sharp? What's sharp? I'm looking. I found a pair of scissors. Okay. Which cable should I cut? Wait, what? I will cut the red cable. Okay, it's on you. Oh no! No! Dang. Dang, it's all just me alone. It's just me. Wow, I can't believe this. She blew up, bruv. She blew up. I can't even revive her because I don't have Robux. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. How are you talking? Where are you? Now we have to head out to the cabin, bro. What is this? Captain? Yeah, wow, 639. I know it's a problem. There's no one in first class, bro. Wow. No one here, bro. Are they here? Ah. Damn, that knocked out cold. Yeah, unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room. Okay. I'm running. Damn, I'm slow. Can't believe they knocked out cold. The captains did. The captains did. Ah, shoot, my boy. Ah, we cooked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. How am I supposed to get in? Maybe I could don't need a code. If we might finally might be able. Hurry up. What? Where is the code? What is the code? What is the code? What is the code? I'm lost. Does this work? Oh, 1975. 1975. Please, 1975. I found it. 1975. Okay, found the code. 1975. That's great. It's unlocked. Shoot, my boy. Listen, boy. Listen. You know Vin Diesel, bro? Yeah. What I do? You think you are here on accident? I was supposed to be on another plane. What did I do? I brought you here. Oh, straight. It's probably that first class VIP you told me, eh? Who's all of you? This is just only me here. It is, bro. That's not possible. It is, and now it's time to. Please, bro. Please. I'm sorry. See you in the afterlife. What are you doing? She's gone. She's gone. What do I do? The captains are coming. Free, open it now. Cool. Dang, what do I do? I've never played, please. Bro, what are these buttons? They're all green. Falling? What are we gonna do? What am I gonna do? Everyone's knocked out cold, my friend. Blew up. The autopilot button could be in. What's the autopilot button? Where is it? Where is the autopilot button? Oh, I found the button. We should be grateful. Okay, the emergency phone was that way, so we can call for help. I know the emergency phone was that way. I just saw it a few minutes ago. So the emergency phone should be here. That's the emergency phone. This is the phone. Yeah. Okay, we're calling for help, I guess. Hello, we need help. Our captain is unconscious. Don't worry, we'll get you home. Wait, aren't you knocked out? You're knocked out cold. Yes, we are okay. I'm okay. Autopilot mode is on. I'm surprised it's playing autopilot. Well, guys, your location we are taking control. Okay, guys, I think this is the end of the story. I managed to do it by myself. There's one last task I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. What? I don't know how to fly. To sit in the co-pilot seat aside the captain. Myself. I'm just gonna kill everyone, aren't I? I'm just gonna kill everyone. I might kill myself. I did it. Well, guys, I think that's the end of the airplane story. So everyone, I got this. I guess this is the end, so thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Oh, heck no. I guess it's not the end. Oh no, it is back. Bro, you were supposed to die. How are you still alive? TBX513. Yep, that's me. Yep. If you're gonna be my friend, I'll accept your friend because I killed all your friends. But you, there is something about you. What? Bro, I'm fine. Woo, bro, that's Jesus, bro. Jesus is protecting me, boy. Jesus is protecting me, boy. This is why you read the Bible, boy. This is why you go to church, boy. I will come back for you. Yeah, we'll see about that, Nick. Great night. I can't believe I was the only survivor. I can't believe I'm flying a plane. Woo! Airplane. Victory! Let's go, you guys. We done it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click. I don't even know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and click one of the videos on the screen after the outro. So, guess that's the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel to never miss any of my videos. Post notifications as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.